Hi guys, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make the Absolut Watermelon Spritz. The best summer cocktail meets the best summer fruit. There's literally nothing to dislike about this one. Super packed with watermelon flavor. We want to see your drinks at home, so don't forget to tag all your posts at Absolut Vodka, #Absolut Drinks. And we've got a very special guest with us here today, Miss Hedda Bruce. Yeah! So, first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna start prepping some watermelon, chop this up nicely. And in the meantime, Hedda's gonna start to prep the drink.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna slice this watermelon up. Easiest way to get your watermelon segmented, cut it into quarters, bam, 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 and then we've got our watermelon all ready to go. And we want about 3-4 big chunks. Oh, it's okay. Oh, we'll use this one. Bruce, over to you. Do your magic.
3 pieces in each.
Yeah, let's go for it. I know this one fell on the floor, but make this one mine.
That's yours.
3-second rule, guys.
All right, so we're gonna start with the cheapest ingredients first. 6 mils of simple syrup into the small shaker. And we're gonna muddle these watermelon pieces to get more flavors out of it.
Now, should you be muddling every fruit you put into a shaker?
I would say it depends on how fresh the fruits are. I mean, if you use like raspberries or like smaller berries, they will break down the flavors when you're adding ice to it and shake it. But this is like some more...
more processed?
Yes,
yeah.
Fruits. So we're gonna help it out to get out some more flavors. And now up for the most important ingredient, Absolut Watermelon. And we're gonna pour 30 mils.
Nice. So this is a spritz, guys, and a spritz is kind of an aperitif type of drink, and we don't want it to be overly alcoholic, because it's a spritz. It's a brunch time drink, it's a porch pounder. What's next, Miss Bruce?
Let's add the ice. So we want to fill this shaker up with ice. Because we want to make the drink cold and not dilute it too much with water. This, here's your shaker.
Thank you. Do you trust me to shake?
I do. But
ooh, that looks fantastic. Okay, what's next?
So we're gonna strain this drink up.
Okay, shall I strain?
Yeah.
Thank you.
A double strainer.
So as you can see, we're gonna double strain here. And that's just to make sure that we get rid of all that watermelon pulp. You don't have to fine strain, but if you leave the pulp in, you're gonna have a drink with loads of pulp in it, and it's not gonna be that pleasant to drink. The color on this is fantastic.
Looks beautiful.
So we're gonna grab your favorite sparkling wine or champagne. And we're gonna go with 90 mils.
Let's add the ice.
Beautiful, ice me up.
Now, when we poured all the ingredients together, we don't really have to stir the drinks. If we would have poured ice before the champagne, we need to stir it to blend all the ingredients together.
While Hedda's been filling that with ice, I've just been chopping a couple of little watermelon spears like so. Nothing crazy, just to give it a little bit of a garnish. And then we want to just give them a little slice in the side, and that will fit beautifully on the side of the drink.
Look at that.
Thank you. But we want to give it a little bit more va-va-voom. So we're going to go for the mint sprig, and then you want to go for the very top and try and find a little bit which looks delectable. And then we can just slot that in like that, and then we'll just slot that in there.
Garnish game is very strong.
Thank you. We're going to stick a little metal straw in there, if it will fit. Nice. And there we have it, guys. The watermelon spritz. Shall I have a little taste?
Yes.
Skål.
Skål.
You can taste the fresh juice, right?
Yeah.
You can taste the Absolut watermelon just elevating all those flavors. And it's got some sparkling wine in there, guys. I mean, come on. Where would you like to drink this right now?
I would say like summer days, outdoors.
Those summer early evenings and afternoons. As long as you're drinking responsibly, you're going to be drinking these, the watermelon spritz. If you want to recreate this at home, you could use pre-bought watermelon juice, correct?
Yeah.
How would you like flip a switch on this?
Maybe like add like a cucumber to it. I think that could be really nice. Also look pretty with the drink.
But have a go. It's real good.
I think it works super well together with the Absolut Watermelon. Very refreshing. Another like summer night cocktail, outdoor.
Super sublime, very, very adult. Complexity that comes from the champagne with that extra kick of watermelon and cucumber. Just flavors which work well.